Hello everyone, Crafty Ukrainians here. This is my table project. This is my new table. You can just witness me building it. Please keep on watching this video to support my channel and to support Defensive Forces of Ukraine. Thank you. Sorry for the mess. This is my future legs of the table. This is my angle grinder. This is my welder. So basically you can just witness me building it up and listening to this wonderful music. Thank you. I have already welded 4 legs on this table, and what has left is to weld these 2 wonderful, very thick corner shaped pieces of metal, so I can make a shelf under the table, so I can put some tools on it when it's necessary. So let's weld them to the table. I have completed welding these 2 metal pieces to my table, so now I can weld 2 more pieces of metal. These will be 2 metal wires from one side to another, and there from one side to another one, so I can make myself a shelf here. Here come the metal wires. I have completed welding them to this table. Now I can turn it over and put some wood on this shelf, so I can have myself a shelf and a table which is gonna be really comfortable to work with. If you really want to help me out, you can donate via the link in the description below. You can buy me a coffee. or just watch a couple of my videos. This will help a lot. Thank you. I have put this table on its final place. It will be standing right in this corner, and I will be doing fun projects, I hope, on this wonderful brand new table. It's a little bit high, but as for me, it's just enough so I can reach it with my hands. I can reach any corner of this table, and also in the future I will put vise on this corner, and I will complete this table with some wood, and I will have a shelf under the table so I can have some extra space for my needs in this shop. So if you want to help me out somehow, please watch my videos, just a couple more than this one. And also, if you want to help me with building some projects or military projects, especially military projects, you can donate via the website Buy Me a Coffee. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, put a thumbs up under this video, and God bless you. Thank you. Now my table got a shelf because I have put some wood, pretty solid wood, under my table, so I can put stuff on it, and I can put stuff on my table, which is great. So put the thumbs up for this great project. Tiny little project actually, but the result is great as for me. So please support this channel, watch a couple more videos, and donate if you want. Thank you. Glory to Ukraine, glory to the heroes.